folks, Alan from the Stone Center. Well, we already know that you can count on the Stone Center for expert advice and the largest selection of natural stone for your projects. Maybe what you don't know about is what we can do for you with limestone fabrication as well as stock limestone items. In the stock limestone department, well, quite a selection there. 3-foot, 4-foot, and 5-foot long limestone steps, an easy installation on every project, and because it's limestone, it matches everything. Limestone pool coping for those kind of projects, limestone wall coping for the tops of your walls, whether it's a masonry application or a manufactured block that you're doing. Limestone will dress up the project by putting that on as a cap rather than the coping material that comes with most of the manufactured projects. Over here, all of the limestone window sills, keystones for the tops of windows and doors, and over this way, limestone veneers that we make here for projects, limestone caps for the tops of columns, also both masonry, manufactured block. Works great for both. But those are typically most of the things that we carry, as well as some tumbled wall in stock items always available. Around this way, we can go into the shop where we do all of our custom limestone fabrication. Today's fabrication is pool coping, and that's what's going on inside the building. Each one of these pieces has to be made in our building because a stock item just wasn't going to work on this project. And inside, templates by which they cut each piece individually. You can see right inside, he's got the saw going right now. He's making the rough planks that he'll make the pool coping from. And over here, these are the templates that he works from for everything that he has to cut by hand in order to complete the project. And on this bench, some of the completed pieces of limestone coping that they will use to finish out the project. This is Matt Reister. He runs our limestone department, and Matt will take you through both the materials and the processes required to get your custom project finished and out the door to your project. Take it away, Matt.
Thank you, Alan. Here at the Stone Center, we cut two types of material from Indiana limestone. They are standard buff, which is the most popular, and then we also cut silver buff. Through the custom cut ordering, we start with drawings that are done in our drafting department, and that's where we define the shape, the size, and the quantity of the pieces needed, and that continues through a process that we deliver to the mill individual shop tickets and templates that are needed to fabricate the stone. Once that's in the mill then creates what we call billets, which is the raw material sizes of the pieces for each of the pieces in the project. And those are run through and processed either on the planer, which will put an edge or a wash top to the stone, or the cutter, who will do any of the handwork on the stone that's needed. And then finally to the finishing department, which is where we do the sanding and the packaging. The capacities inside the mill, we have 2 saws. We can cut up to a 24-inch thick slab. And then we also have the planer and a joint saw, which cuts the lengths of the pieces. And that's how easy it is at the Stone Center mill.
Hey, there you have it. Nobody knows stone better than the Stone Center.